One other thing that's part of summer, bug bites and bee stings, they're just part of it, and they can hurt, they can itch. Dr. Joy Greene with High Point University School of Pharmacy here to talk about first prevention and then treatment. You were saying it depends on what you're wearing if you're going to be attracting these types of bugs, and we're both not good to be honest.
Wearing bright clothing, wearing printed clothing. I've never thought about it this way, but you look like a flower.
Okay.
So you want to wear long sleeves. You want to wear dull clothing like the shirt
on the end would be good.
That would be perfect. Also thinking about your head, wearing a wide-brimmed hat, even just a baseball cap will help give you some protection on your face.
Okay, and then there are lots of sprays and preventative for mosquitoes and different bug bites. What do you like?
Right, so we have DEET and picaridin. Those are your two products that you can use.
Okay.
There are also some products for more sensitive skin, but you just want to spray these all over. Make sure you cover your face, cover your nose. Don't breathe it in if you can help it.
Okay.
But get your legs covered well, get any area of skin that is exposed really well covered to prevent those nasty little bugs.
All right, let's also talk about what to do if you get one. I mean, my son his foot and it got red and itchy. What do you do if you have those kinds of problems?
Well, one thing to think about too is don't forget to wear shoes, right? Because we're all barefooted in the summer running around outside, so having shoes on will help also with preventative measures. But hydrocortisone cream is one of our best things.
Okay.
It's going to help with the itching. It's going to help you not want to scratch, because the problem comes when you scratch and then you can get it infected. If that happens, you want to use some triple antibiotic ointment for that. Also, taking Benadryl or any type of an antihistamine that you have on hand will help you not to scratch. It's going to decrease the sensation of the itching, so keeping that around. Then there are a couple of products that you can put on your skin to help soothe the skin. Remember good old calamine.
Yeah, you got
good old calamine. We all took a calamine bath in the summer. Mom just covered us down with it.
Good idea still.
It still is a good idea. Not quite as convenient, a little more messy, doesn't feel as good, but still works really well. And then you can buy a few products that will help you directly on the sting. So it helps you with the itching, it helps with the burning, so you can look for things like that also in your pharmacy.
Tell me about this one that you have down here. It's called Sting Kill. How does it work?
Right, it has a product in it that soothes the skin, and it also takes away the pain.
Okay.
So it helps you not to feel the burning.
So it's one of those that you kind of break, and then it goes down into that cotton swab on the end, and you would put it directly on the sting.
Yes, you would put it directly on the sting. That's right.
Well, very good. And all of these are going to help you if you're in that case. And we're going to talk about, coming up next, what to keep in your first aid kit at home and in your car. Some of these would be really great.
Absolutely. And one last thing I wanted to mention was, remember your pets. So if your pets, if you have dogs or cats and they're in the woods, always check them for ticks and bugs, because they can bring those to your kids while your kids are playing with them. If they come into the house, make sure you do a good inspection of your pets as well.
And I was going to say, tick season seems to be pretty severe this year, and it can have serious consequences here if they do attach to you.
You have Lyme disease issues, you have Rocky Mountain spotted fever, so prevention is key, and also inspection. So when your kids come from outside to inside, make sure you're checking their hairline. Checking in areas underneath their arm is a place that ticks like to attach, and their growing areas. Make sure you're inspecting your kids well to pull those off.
Good information to keep in mind as we head into those summer months.